Hello guys, welcome. And here bedroom interior that you are looking on my screen is generated using AI prompt only. So how to do it guys? I have used a Canva AI. So first you have to visit a Canva, log in, and there is an option in left side to select Canva AI. Okay, so how to do it? Let's start. So first you have to visit Canva AI and then select create a video clip. Now here you have to type a prompt and you can copy this prompt. There's a link in the description. Now guys, you have to click over the arrow icon to generate a video. So here you can see that now it's thinking and it will take a couple of minutes to generate a video. Now here you can preview. You have to click over play button to preview the video quality. Now here you can see how stunning this video is generated using just a prompt. So here Canva is using a VO3 model that is a part of Google AI, and now it's integrated with Canva AI guys.